As the Supreme Court prepares to wrap up this term, it's really important to remember that these are real rulings that impact real people. So we want to help you understand what's happening by counting down a few of those top cases, starting with the separation of church and state. So you've probably seen the images. The praying football coach. The Bremerton School District asked that he stop praying on the 50-yard line after the games. They wanted to avoid the appearance that the school was endorsing a religious point of view. He refused and he lost his job, so he sued. 6 years later, the Supreme Court has decided that Joe Kennedy's prayer, it amounts to private speech protected by the First Amendment. Number 4. The Second Amendment. So we know Texas is an open carry state, but that's not the case all across the country. 2 men sued New York after their applications for concealed carry handgun licenses were rejected. A New York judge ruled neither man had shown proper cause to carry those guns out in the public. But the Supreme Court decided the New York law, it violated their Second Amendment right, and that's a major victory for gun rights advocates. Number 3. COVID-19. And the decisions here are split, so you've got to listen to the details. In Missouri versus Biden, the court decided it was okay for the administration to require entities getting Medicare or Medicaid money to insist that their employees be vaccinated. But in a separate suit brought forward by the National Federation of Independent Businesses, justices ruled that businesses with 100 or more workers, well, they're not required to wear masks, get tested, or even be vaccinated. Number 2, Miranda rights, and hopefully you can remember them because the justices decided by a 6-3 vote that receiving Miranda warnings isn't technically a constitutional right. Analysts say this doesn't get rid of the Fifth Amendment protection against self-incrimination, but you can't sue the police if they don't read you your rights. And the big one, number 1. Abortion rights. The current case was centered around the state of Mississippi. Lawyers for the Jackson Women's Health Organization argued that the state's 15-week abortion ban was unconstitutional. Well, after making it all the way to the Supreme Court, the conservative majority overturned the constitutional right to abortion that was established by Roe versus Wade. Justice Samuel Alito said that the 1973 ruling was egregiously wrong. But this fight isn't over. Lawsuits have already been levied against 6 states with restrictive abortion laws. And today, after closing out the 2022 session, Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer is set to retire. Now, he was appointed by former President Bill Clinton back in 1994, and that clears the way for Ketanji Brown Jackson. She'll be the first African-American woman to serve on the High Court. Dejanique Garrison, CW 39.